way cheaper than if you were to buy like the actual thing, but it looks very similar, just gray. So it's like a type of stone that looks like a stone. That's what you said, right? That it looked like stone.
Like concrete, yeah. And then it ties in beautifully.
And it ties in beautiful.
With this. Look at that.
With the gray of the floor?
Yeah.
You love that.
I love it. It's really nice.
I'm really glad you liked it.
Yeah.
Did you see the Tonish?
Tonish.
And look, we installed the thing that you liked.
Oh yeah.
The
Is that a Delta?
Yeah,
Delta?
the Moen.
There you
It's
go.
a Moen.
That's really nice. Can't light above the shower. The glass door is getting installed this week. That was missing.
Yes. Double vanities, like we like it.
Yeah.
Perfect. I'm really glad you.
Looks nice.
Beautiful, babe. I loved it.
Yeah. One thing in retrospect that we're thinking of is so a missed opportunity here that we just caught on. This is we haven't checked the master.
This is the master closet.
Master closet. Comes with a letter. And
a jacket.
We also have the motion here. But something we missed was we should have blocked this wall.
This door, this wall.
Yeah. That way, if the buyers or if the new owners choose to keep the bed here, they would have this space for an entertainment center, a dresser, a TV, and then we could have made the entrance from this to over here.
Inside, So now your closet would have been inside of the bathroom, which makes a lot of sense.
Yeah, so you get access to your closet. You still have plenty of hanging space for towels and stuff.
Of course,
and then you have this whole wall. But it is what it is. We didn't catch it on time.
No.
We only came here
once.
We only came here once we purchased the house. So we didn't catch it on.
No.
But they did great though. Yeah, they did great with everything else.
It's great. Yeah. Well.
The other option is if they choose to put the bed over there, they can use that as a TV.
Because then they wouldn't have space for nightstands. This is the only wall basically that you'd be able to put.
Yeah. I mean, it's not a big deal to do it, but we'll leave it like that for now. If they want to do it, they can do it.
Yeah, it's really not that hard to fix. We can add this exact door on the other side, like right there.
But okay, all right.
Have the same thing.
Sounds good. We're burning daylight. It was raining. Now it's a beautiful day out.
Yeah.
So let's look at the backyard, and then we are out of here.
I'm gonna turn everything off, babe, so that I don't.
You are? Okay, I'll go show them, and then I'll be back. All right.
Okay.
As you walk out into the backyard.
Yes, we walked out.
Yeah. This is a really nice area.
I know.
It's a good sized backyard. It's all fenced.
It is.
We did all new fence over there on that side.
It's nice little area. Some nice gatherings.
And check out this.
Nice glow lights.
Check out this.
Little addition.
This shed that's in really good.
I painted it the same color of the house.
Yeah, it's in really good shape.
That's cute.
You see?
Very pretty, right?
Yeah, very nice.
These sheds are really not cheap.
No.
5 or 7 grand.
Oh, that was when we bought ours a few years ago.
I know, they're like 10 grand.
Well, ours is metal though, but it's nice. But okay, well there you have it. Beautiful home. And I mean, in the 300s. That is a steal, man.
Yeah, it is.
You don't find that anymore.
No. You don't.
But okay. All right. Well, let's get out of here. We got one more stop before our day's done.
One more stop.
Thank you for watching, guys. We love y'all.
Yes.
I hope you like our work.
In our faces, because you got to see them.
But thanks for watching.
All right.
Catch you out on the next one.
See you at the top.